We're going to start with a baking pan and we're going to fill it with a bunch of marbles. I need to remove the back off the glue dots and then peel off the backing. And I'm going to place it onto the bottom of the baking sheet. I'm going to flip them back over. As you can see here, this swivels really nicely. I'm going to take a cooling rack. I'm going to bend up either side. Now I'm going to tip those cooling racks up and I'm going to tie the top of the cooling racks together as well as the bottom. I'm going to place the glue dots onto the baking sheet. Take those cooling racks and I'm going to stick them onto the glue dots. And I'm going to press firmly to make sure they adhere well.
And I hope this inspires you to make your own Dollar Tree Lazy Susan.
Grab a cooling rack and some E6000 and a dollar store chalkboard. Put 4 dots of E6000 glue on the back of the chalkboard, press down, and let dry. Hang with command hooks on the wall. Add S-hooks. This is a great place to store your keys for easy access. Then write notes to yourself on the chalkboard. Grab a cooling rack and clip on some dollar store clips and pencil holders. From here, you can fill the insides with makeup brushes, office supplies, anything that you need. It's super cute and super easy. I picked up a dollar store cooling rack and a dollar store bin. I placed the cooling rack inside the bin, and from there I was able to organize the Tupperware lids perfectly. Grab a cooling rack and some pliers to bend the cooling rack into a U shape. Be gentle as you do this, as the bars of the cooling rack might break if you aren't careful. Now the spice shelf is no more, and it's so much easier to get to everything. You can also hang a cooling rack sideways with command hooks and put in scarves, jewelry, kitchen utensils, sunglasses. The possibilities are seriously endless.